my CryptoTab Live Withdrawal. In this video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw and cash out your CryptoTab mining funds. It is very important you know that CryptoTab Browser cannot make you rich. No, you can't actually earn much, but the amount you can earn is something to somebody. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you other mining websites, including apps that earn me cryptos every day. You will get to know towards the end of this video. But first thing first, let me take you through my CryptoTab Live Payment Proof. Let's do it. This is the inside of CryptoTab. You can see my current balance. It is important to know that you can only withdraw and cash out only Bitcoin on this platform. That is, CryptoTab mining can only earn you free Bitcoin, and that is why you are seeing BTC here. It implies that before you can cash out, you will need a Bitcoin wallet. I'm encouraging you to use my top recommended exchange that will help you to easily convert your Bitcoin to cash in your country, and that is Binance. So let me take you to Binance platform. This is my Binance. You can see Ask JOFA. You see the link below the description of this video to sign up. If you sign up using that link, I've partnered with Binance. They will give you a gift of $100 after you must have done proper documentations and you meet their requirement. As soon as you register, you come to this place to pick your wallet because you will need your wallet to withdraw from CryptoTab. You sign up in Binance, or if you have your wallet, all you need to do is to come to this place. You click this place. It's like a dashboard. You can see my balance, which is $2.75. You can improve this your earnings if you are the type that have multiple devices. You refer your friends and family members, and you always remember to launch this browser. This is free money. This $2.75 is like almost 3,000 naira in Nigeria, and that is for free. So this money is something to many. So for you to withdraw, you click this place. You can see withdraw. Click withdraw. This is my Bitcoin wallet address. For you to access your Bitcoin wallet address on Binance, you go to Binance after you must have signed up with the link below the description of this video. Don't forget, if you use my link, you have $100 gift. This is Binance. You come to deposit. You click deposit. Deposit crypto. That is, you want to access wallet to help you deposit crypto on this platform. You select the coin. You select BTC. So you scroll down to select the network. It's better you select BTC network. So this is the wallet. You copy the wallet. You come back to CryptoTab platform to insert your wallet. Like I will insert this wallet now. I will insert my wallet just for you to get it right. As you click this place, total amount you can withdraw will come out here. The minimum amount you can withdraw from CryptoTab is this, which is about 4 cents. So, but this is over $2. So after you must have input your wallet, you look at it to be sure that the wallet address is correct. To double check, you go back to your Binance to look at it very well. When you are sure everything is correct, you scroll down, then you click withdraw. For your withdrawal to be concluded, you have to go to your email address to confirm this withdrawal. You can see this is the inside of my email. The amount is stated, the wallet will be stated. You can also look at your wallet again. If you are sure everything is okay, you scroll down, you click confirm. You can see withdrawal confirmed. We will make the payment of this soon. It usually takes 1 business day. You click OK. You can see my account is zeroized back to zero and is counting and making money again. For you to maximize this platform and make more money fast, you can watch the full video I've done about this platform. The link of the video will come out here. Watch that video and you'll be able to know how to fast track and make money fast on this platform. Look at it. Transaction is complete. Check your wallet. This is an advice here. I advise you to consider using NC wallet whenever you are cashing out from CryptoTab. NC wallet will help you get your funds very fast. There's no charges, and if you leave your money inside the NC wallet platform, they will continue to give you commissions, so you have nothing to lose, especially when you are collecting small amount like this. NC wallet is the best way to help get your money out very fast without delay. In fact, in less than 2-3 minutes you get your money out. You can now move your money from NC wallet platform to your Binance. So, but you can start using this app now and take advantage of every free money you can have access to online. Thank you. You now know how to cash out and withdraw your funds from CryptoTab Browser. The amount is like peanut. That $2 plus that you saw me withdraw is over 2,700 naira in Nigeria. That is huge and something to somebody somewhere. This is why there is always somebody that need to know this. For you to earn more, ensure you invite your friends and family members to the platform using your link. Use multiple platforms: your phone, your tablet, your computers, in your offices. The amount you earn will depend on how often you remember to launch your browsers and the multiple devices you use, and if you always invite people using your links. But do you really want to earn free cryptos? Ensure you watch this video. Those are platforms that earn me free cryptos from different mining apps and websites. You can consider those platforms to start earning. And this second video will help you make more money while you do little task online. Please do me one big favor. Please like this video. That will help a lot of people to see this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you and bye for now.